How to fix WhatsApp login verification problem. If you're not being able to verify your account via receiving the code from your SMS or from the phone number, what you can first of all try out is try to switch these options. So once you're inside of this screen, you can just tap on the didn't receive code option and you can try switching between the SMS or the voice call option. As soon as you switch, you should be able to receive the code on one of those options. Now, if this is not the issue for you, what you can also try out is try to use the latest version of the application. So head over to the Play Store and then search for WhatsApp. If you do see new updates available, you can just tap on the update button and make sure that the application is updated. What you can also try out is try to restart your phone and try to see if the issue is now fixed. Now, if you're not able to use this or log into your WhatsApp account for a long time, then it is likely the issue of WhatsApp. So you just need to wait out and try in a couple of hours before you are able to fix this issue. Lastly, if you are connected to a VPN, make sure that you turn off the VPN as well. That's pretty much it for today's video. I do hope this video helped you out. If it did, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up.